outside air depending on summer and winter, so it's a better place to put the heat or put the cold basically from the house. Basically, three kinds of ground source loop that you can put in for a ground source heat pump system. One is a heat exchanger field or a loop field, which usually requires a very large plot of land, and then you just bury the coil that transfers heat to the ground in a trench that goes all the way around the lawn and the property. That, as I say, requires much greater area and also a much greater disturbance to the ground than by going vertically. So the other possibility is a sort of almost looks like a spider shaped thing. It's got a place at the top where they connect it, and then loops that basically fan out from that and spread out. But again, it requires a fairly large area of disturbed ground. Here we want to use a vertical loop, partly because we don't have that much area and because we didn't want to tear up the entire site in order to put in the ground source heat pump. And so here we're going vertically instead of horizontally in order to get the heat exchanger area that we need. The well has a U-shaped tube, one that goes down and then the other leg coming up, and we pump the refrigerant from the heat source, ground source heat pumps into the ground, and then it comes back up. What they're doing now is they're actually drilling the hole into the ground, about that big around, and then they're going to fill that with water and run the tubes down and back up again. What you can see they're doing now is they're about to attach another section of drill bit to the drill head. Sections of drill, and as they drill down, they put another one in place, and then they drill down and they put another one in place, and they keep going until they get down to the deck. Each well is about 375 feet deep, so that's a total of 750 feet of vertical run into the ground, which is enough for about 5 tons of heating and cooling for the house.